Before we get into today's video, I want to share something that genuinely impressed me. You'll find the link in the description, and I highly recommend taking a moment to check it out. This product has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and after using it myself, I can clearly see why. The performance is consistently smooth, the design is thoughtfully crafted, and the overall experience is remarkably user-friendly. There's no complicated learning curve. Everything feels intuitive from the start. What really stood out to me is how much quality you get compared to what you expect. It performs far better than most alternatives in the same category. If you're looking for something dependable, practical, and surprisingly impressive, this could be exactly what you need. Take a look through the link below. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Stop scrolling for a second, you're going to want to hear this. There's a link in the description. Before we get into today's video, I want to share something that genuinely impressed me.